Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your username in Among Us. It's pretty simple. Now the steps which I'm going to show you here, it's same in your iOS, it's same in your PC, it's same in your Android device because the Among Us interface is same in all across every platform, alright? So once you open Among Us, you need to click on My Account. Once you click on My Account, you want to click on where it says Accounts. From inside over here, it is going to display your current username. So since we want to change it, we need to click on Change Name at the bottom right of our screen, and then you can click on this and it's going to show you a random name. But let's say you don't want to choose a random name, you want to choose a name yourself. You can click on this box and edit the name. So I'm going to edit this name and I will change it to something like Kevin Imposter. Okay, it's not going to let me write this long name, so I'm just going to write Kevin is here. Kevin. So I'm just going to write, so it does not let me write a long name, so I will just write this Kevin 88. So this is my name. I will click and confirm and my name will be changed. That is how you guys can change your username on Among Us. It's pretty simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.